We have all heard of eBay, right? Online car auctions are actually very similar to the bidding process you will find at eBay. The problem with most local car auctions is too many bidders. In this video you will learn how to avoid this and outbid any competitors. Before we dive in, please note there's a gift for you in the video description below. It is a guide for auto auction attendees to help get the best deals on cars that has helped a lot of people to avoid spending more than intended and outbid for the car you want. This guide takes little time to implement. That being said, let's begin. Almost anything tangible can be auctioned off online, and it sure is a great way to find bargains indeed. One of the benefits to buying cars through online auction is that the inventory of possibilities is endless, so you really have the opportunity to shop and bid smart. There is never any reason to rush into a purchase considering the availability of supply. When it comes to buying cars at online auction, there are some potential drawbacks, one of which is the all-important fact that you really can't inspect the vehicles yourself. Other than that, buying cars at an online auction involves the same process from registration on through to bidding and finally settlement should you take a bid. Another important consideration is shipping. This is the other major difference between online auctions and live auctions. At a live car auction you can drive your new car away once you have settled your balance. If you win a bid at an online car auction, you'll have to arrange shipping of that vehicle, which will involve additional costs. Don't forget to add this cost as well as the auction house's 5% commission into your max bid figure. Make sure that you are in a secured and reliable website online if you are looking for online auctions. Always make sure that you check out the car personally before deciding to buy the vehicle. Do your research. Know how much you would want to pay for the vehicle. Any sale from an auction is considered final, and there is a bidding agreement that people enter to when they are inside the auction event. It is easy to save even thousands of dollars when buying cars from auctions. It will also save you time and energy because you are dealing with professional sellers. You don't have to beat the owner's moods when they aren't very entertaining. Some sellers are like this, and they can give different prices to different people who are interested in buying their unit. You would not know where you stand with this attitude of the seller, and when they think you have plenty of money, they would increase the asking price. That is contrary to the way auctions are done. Therefore, for people who want hassle-free car buying, they go to dealer auctions. Why is it a better alternative for new cars? Foremost, when you buy a car at a lesser price, you get to pay lower taxes. Also, these cars are given at a cost that's way below their brand new price. For those who have limited funds but still want to buy a car, auto auctions are the best places to find their cars. You can easily take the vehicle you purchased and put it for sale in your local paper. Find a mechanic and have them do a full inspection and then double your price from what you purchased it initially, and you can probably sell this car in about a week's time. But don't feel obligated in any way to start your own used car business. Feel free to just use this knowledge you've now gained as a way to buy all of your vehicles very cheaply and at a fraction of the cost of what you normally pay for them. The secret to online car auctions is knowing which ones to go to. There are databases available that you can join which allow you to find out the best seized car auctions available which aren't being advertised to the general public. This way you don't have to bid against a ton of people but a select few that know about these underground auctions that take place. Click the link below for more information, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you.